Hey everybody, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Delaney. Welcome to our first video.
And today we're going to be talking about the Oculus Quest.
That's right, so just keep watching and we'll let you know everything that you need to know right here on TechMate.
So Delaney, start us off with your favorite things about the Oculus Quest.
So probably my favorite thing about the Oculus Quest is the price point. I mean, starting at $400 for the 64 gig is just a really great place, especially if you're on a budget. It's a really good place to start to get into VR.
Yes. Another thing that we do like about the Oculus Quest is the portability. You don't have to be tied down to a computer, no cord, it won't be in your way. It's basically you can play it anywhere.
Right, because it's cordless and it's great. The controllers, they're really, really light, which is something that I liked. So playing games like Beat Saber, I felt like when the notes were coming at me really fast, I could hit them and not feel like weighted down, I guess.
I didn't like them as much. My hands are a little bit thicker, so I felt like they were too small and too light. I like the Valve Index Knuckles better.
I will say the Knuckles are overall just more comfortable. Also, the audio on the Oculus Quest was really, I was surprised it was pretty good.
Yeah, if I hadn't experienced the Valve Index first, the surround sound, then I would have loved it.
Now, there's some things that we also didn't really like about the Oculus Quest. One of them being comfort.
So it was very uncomfortable. The top was very heavy. The straps were digging into the back of my head, so I can't imagine myself playing more than 30 or 40 minutes.
Right, and it was also, it really pulled down on like the front of my face, and his wife and my husband, they also played as well, and they had the same issue, so it wasn't just us. We had different people try it out, and it just wasn't comfortable.
Right.
Yeah, and then also another big issue was the frame rate. The frame rate is really low. It caps out at 72 frames.
Yes.
And it makes a big difference when playing a game like Beat Saber where timing is so important, because then it just is not natural anymore because the frames aren't high enough to keep up with the game. So
the display that the Oculus Quest uses is OLED. Now, one of the things that I do always hear about OLED is, it gets the whites and darks really good. On the Oculus Quest, I didn't quite feel that. The whites weren't bright and the darks weren't dark. Another thing that I noticed while playing other games was the screen door effect. Yeah, and the screen door effect is exactly what it sounds like if you don't know. It's just basically, it looks like you're looking through a screen door. There's kind of like a mesh effect. I also felt like I got more motion sickness off of the Oculus Quest versus something like the Valve Index. Right. I didn't experience much motion sickness. It was just mainly the screen door effect that really was playing kind of mind tricks on me. Right. So overall, although the Oculus Quest has some really good positive aspects about it, I didn't love it. I wasn't sold on it. It's not something that I would probably recommend to anyone, especially if you already have a gaming PC. The only reason I would recommend it probably is for, budget reasons, because it is a really good way to get into the VR world. Yes. So like she was saying, it's a good way to get into the VR world. If you already have a computer that can run other VR headsets, then I would definitely recommend higher-end VR headsets. But if you're just wanting to experience the first time VR, then Oculus Quest is definitely worth the money. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. We're going to be posting some mixed reality Beat Saber videos really soon. And we'll also be doing a review on the Valve Index. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment below on things that you want us to review next right here on TechMate. Hey everyone. Ah, shoot. Welcome to our first video. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. Frames per second? Yeah. Okay, just making sure. I'm gonna be like, oh no. You're good. Stop making noise. Go back to your room. Are you done? Yes. Okay. Sound like you're done. Our next review will be on the Valve Index because, I don't want to tell you why, but it'll be good. Yeah, it's, that was really dumb. That was good. That was good. Yeah.